Everybody, welcome back to Auntie Morgan's mailbox. Today I have two very special guests on the show. We have
Harper
and Eloise, and we went fidget hunting today and we got some really cool fidgets. So the first one that we're going to show is, how about this one?
Yeah.
Okay, Harper, tell us about this fidget.
It's a very squishy green puppy dog.
Okay, and it's very nice if you're playing with it, and it feels very cool. What do you think, Eloise? It feels really cool? Yeah? And then Eloise is just going to put all of our fidgets in a pile right there. And the next one is one that Auntie Morgan really loves. We have a little hot dog keychain, but we're going to put it in there because it has texture here. What do we think, guys? Do we like this squishy?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Eloise, you like it? Yeah? Okay, now we're getting into the really cool things here. So I'm going to go with this one because this is a dragon egg and there's a dragon inside. We got this one. Where did we get this one from?
Five
Below. We got it from Five Below. And I really wanted the blue one, but I went with the green. All right, Eloise, open it up for us. Can you get it? Twist.
Twist it.
Here, like this.
Oh, that's hard.
Now pull it off. What dragon did we get? Oh, show everybody. Wow, and then Harper, give Harper a chance to touch it. What's it feel like, Harp?
Oh, that's nice.
Wow, look at this. Very cool 3D printed dragon. All right. Put him back with this shell over there. We'll have to name him. What shall we name that dragon? It's green.
I kind of think it looks like a salamander.
No, it kind of looks like salad.
Salad? We should name it Salad? I think we should name it Salad. That's the salad dragon because he's green. Excellent name. And Harper, you can name this one because I know you have a good name for that one. Now this one was a special find. Harper found a pepper in green, but then she found this one. And this is it's a sand fidget, sand squishy.
Yeah.
A sand squishy. And Auntie Morgan's going to use all of these in her classroom, in her sensory bin. Ooh! Whoa! Oh my goodness! It molds and oh! How cool is that? Oh my goodness! What? Okay, if we're naming squishies, what should we name this one? This pepper? Pablo. Pablo the pepper.
Yeah.
And our salad dragon. Okay, very cool. Now we have, let's do a surprise one. We were at Five Below, and these were behind the register.
Yeah,
and they
only
were $1. And so there's different ones it could be. Which one did you guys get?
I got this one, and then I think...
Okay, so they got the lemon berry swirl and cotton candy swirl. So they got the lemon berry swirl and the cotton candy swirl. Maybe we'll get one that's different. I think we have pretty good chances. All right, I'm going to close my eyes. You guys tell me, did I get a different one?
Yeah.
Or one that you got?
Oh, you got a different one.
Let's see it. Ooh!
That's cool.
What? Oh, it's sticky. Wow, this is the, here, feel that one.
Well, that's really
Green apple twist or blueberry swirl. What do you think? Maybe blueberry swirl?
I think it's that one.
Orange blossom twist? Let me see that. I don't think it looks like any of them on the paper.
It's like the green one.
But it's really cool looking. It could be any of them.
It doesn't look purple something.
Oh, it does. It makes fart sounds. Okay. All right, what?
What do you have in the mailbox?
Nothing in the mailbox today because we just went fidget hunting, remember? But we do have some videos coming up where Auntie Morgan has some really cool stories. And guess what they're about?
What?
One of them's about a bear. Like this squishy. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, this one, we don't have to unbox him. Look at this. It's a goo pet. You just hook it onto something and your little goldfish goes everywhere. What should we name our goldfish?
Goldie.
Goldie. Goldie the goldfish. Pablo the pepper. And Salad the dragon.
No, the salamander.
Salad the salamander dragon. Yeah. Now this one is very, very cool. This is a 3D mesh starfish, like off of Finding Nemo. And we got the blue one. It's 3D printed. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Whoa. And Harper has one of these. She got at Five Below as well.
Yeah. I got one of these, but it's this one.
You got that one? Did you get a different color one or the same one?
I got like the green one.
The green one? I like the blue one. All right, we have 2 left. What should we name that before we go to the next 2? The starfish. Any ideas? Kumi? Kumi the starfish? I love it. I love it. Kumi the starfish. It goes perfectly.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 2 left. Which one should we do? Pink or blue?
Pink.
Pink. Perfect. Now this one, this is crazy. I asked for a sugar squishy and he gave me this.
A baby.
Ah! He gave me a pink baby sugar squishy. And it's bald. It doesn't have any hair because it's just a baby and it looks crazy. Now, Neatos are sugar squishies, right? Or ish, like that?
No, they are. They're just
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, it has hair.
Yeah.
It has like,
Let me touch it.
how's it feel?
It's kind of
doing lots
gooey,
everything in our
but
Mm-hmm. Yes.
it's kind of gooey and it's
Can
like.
I feel it?
Does it feel good? A good
Oh, that's
squishy? Would you
nice.
sit and squish it?
Yeah, probably for like an hour.
If you got overwhelmed, would you maybe sit and squish the squishy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one would you choose out of the ones that we've opened? Which one would you pick if you needed a break?
Maybe I'd either use this one
Mhm.
or
This
the
one,
baby
this
stuff.
one.
Okay, the
This one.
salad.
The one we're
Okay.
gonna unbox, I might say.
I really like this one. This is
It's a Neato dupe.
It's a Neato dupe, and
but it's
honestly,
really cool.
sometimes the dupes aren't that much different.
Yeah, some of the times the dupes are better than the real
Yeah, and this one is actually textured. I know the Neato sometimes
Let
are.
me touch it.
Wow. Here, we'll go down the line. Harper feels it.
Oh, that's really nice.
Very cool. We won't name this one because it's just an ice cube.
Yeah, an
But it
ice
feels
cube.
pretty cool, doesn't it?
A nice ice cube.
Yeah, so we have, let's
I know,
go
I
through
got it.
them again. Okay? Yeah, we'll get it. And let's go through them again. We have Pablo the Pepper. Pablo the Pepper. What do we have next? Did we name the dog?
No.
What should we name him?
Greenie.
Greenie?
Yeah.
Okay, we got Greenie. Greenie and Pablo. And our starfish, Kumi. I think it looks like a Kumi.
What should we name the baby? Just baby?
Maybe just baby. Baby the baby.
Yep.
Baby the
Who's his
baby
name?
the pink baby.
Wait, who's his name?
We didn't name the bear either. The ice
Hey,
cube.
wait, Barry.
Bear. Okay.
Or Barry.
Berry Bear.
Yeah.
And then we didn't name the hot dog. He's just hot dog.
And then Goldie.
Goldie.
Oh, uh-oh.
And Salad. We have Salad
The
and
salad
Goldie.
maker.
All right. So
Oh, and then
next.
he was 8.
We forgot Salad's home. All right. Salad's home. Now the next thing is Harper is going to show us her squishies. And she brought a whole bag of them. So I'm going to let her sit here. We're going to change really quick. Everybody, we're back. We have changed seats. And Harper is going to show us her fidgets. Go ahead, Harper. Take it away.
I have a gummy bear Neato. Honey.
Honey, I
Because
love it.
Is the color of honey.
He is honey colored. Want me to hold him
Mhm.
over here?
I also got one of the bears.
Cotton candy.
Yeah. And cotton candy.
Love it.
I have a butter squishy.
Ooh, let's feel it. Eloise, do you like playing with the butter squishy? Is it
Just
cool?
I put
So
tape on it.
does it go back to the size
Yeah,
of butter? Wow, okay. Cool.
I got a hedgehog, a 3D printed hedgehog.
New today. We got that from Michael.
Uh,
I think we got it from
yeah,
Michael.
we got it from Mike.
Yeah. Wow, that is so cool. Look at it, Ellie. Wow. That is really cool. And then, where did we go today, girls?
Camp.
We went to Ravens training camp. That's why we're in our awesome jerseys here. But we went to training camp and they gave us trading cards. So I got a pack of trading cards and Eloise got some and Harper got some. So I'm going to go through the trading cards that I got and Then Harper's going to show you hers. So I got Lamar Jackson.
Because you traded it with Eloise.
I did trade it with Eloise because I really wanted Lamar Jackson. But that's what they're for, right? They're trading cards. You trade the ones you want. And then I got Kyle Hamilton. I got Roger Rosengarten. Nnamdi Madubuike. I'm really excited about that one. Mike Green. I'm really excited for this one. Because, well, they're just playing out there. Because Mike Green went to my school, Marshall University. And then I have some rookie cards for Elijah Surratt, Ryan Eckley, and Josh Guavis. So those are the ones that I got. Harper, do you want to show the ones you got?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, these are Harper's. We have Derrick Henry, very good card. We have Awuzie, Ronnie Stanley. I've met Ronnie Stanley before. He's very nice. Calais Campbell, very good card. Mike Green, Malachi Starks, Josh Guavis, Vega Ione. I'm not sure how to say his name. Jacoby Lane. Oh, Mark Andrews, Auntie Morgan's favorite. Kyle Hamilton, Rashad Bateman, Teddy Buchanan, some new ones, Zion Young, Matt Heidner, and Ryan Eckley. So she got a bunch of trading cards. Very cool.
And then I have one more thing.
And she was saving the best for last. Where did we get this guy? Five Below?
Five Below. It's a little blow bubble animal.
Bubblies.
Mommy has to open it.
Which one do you think it is? It looks like there's a green, a yellow, mystery. So show it. Which one do you think it might be?
I like this.
You want the
blue
one? Okay.
Green, this or that. I just don't really want the red.
Don't really want the red, but it would be cool even if it was red because
I think
do
it's
you
like
have any of these?
No.
So either one you get, it's going to be something new, right?
Uh-huh.
Do you need help opening it?
I got it.
Okay. Oh, easy open. All right, drum roll.
Mommy has to close your eyes.
Oh, it's in a pack.
Oh, it's in a package.
Yay.
Okay, you want me to start the open or you got it?
I got it. I think. Oh yeah, I got it.
Okay. All right, here we go. Drum roll. What do you think it is? Ooh.
Oh, I
Oh!
got the green. It looks like a gummy bear.
It's very cute. It's like a star-shaped bear.
And then I have to show mine.
This is a fidget
It
too.
blows a bubble.
This is a fidget too.
Oh my gosh, I
And
love
then
it.
you can hang it on a backpack, purse, or anything that comes to
Why
mind.
do you
Yeah,
have
I love it.
toys?
All right, so we're going to say bye for now. Thanks for watching this video. Can't wait to see what it comes